Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get portrait shots on any Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Play Store and download After Focus app. Once the app is downloaded, click on the open button. To make a portrait effect, click on Album. And select the photo which you want to make a portrait effect. Choose Smart or Manual option and click on Continue button. Now watch the video carefully. Once you're done, click on the next button. Here there are some other options for editing, and after done, click on the save button to save the photo. Finally, we get a perfect portrait image. Try using this app on any Android phone and mostly it gives a perfect portrait effect. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.